One of my favorite options in Microsoft Teams is a relatively new command to Teams, although not new to Microsoft Office. It's the GoTo command. Let me show you how you can use that here in Microsoft Teams. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. The more that you use Microsoft Teams, the more you realize that you have, in terms of chat, lots and lots of them. And moving around them sometimes can be pretty straightforward and sometimes a lot of scrolling. And that's where the GoTo command really comes into play. Now, GoTo isn't new for Microsoft. In fact, it's been around, well, forever, but it is fairly new to Microsoft Teams. One of the things that I really like about it is that Microsoft are using the standard GoTo command, which is the shortcut key Ctrl+G. In Microsoft Teams, all you need to do is on the keyboard press Ctrl+G and up pops the GoTo command immediately. As you can see, it simply asks you to type in the name of, or start typing in the name of a chat or a channel. As long as you know the name, this command will work. If you don't, if you know, for example, somebody who's part of that chat or channel, then I have got another tip for you, which is the filter, and I'll add that to the iCard up above, and it'll be in the description below. Here with GoTo, simply type in, or it'll suggest some of the chats and channels that you've most recently used. If the one that you want is in that list, simply click on it to take you straight there. And if not, start typing. That's all there is to it. If you can't remember the shortcut, then there is a second choice. Click into search, but you're not starting typing. In fact, you're going to be pressing on the / to get the commands up, and you'll see that that very first option is GoTo. Click on it to take you into that option. I'm using this as a form of navigation, not just to find and to take me to any of the chats that's available, but also to return me back to what I think of as the top of the screen. So that's usually my favorites. I'm somebody who likes to have my favorites on screen because I'm using them all the time. So to be able to navigate quickly back to, quote, the top of the list by using GoTo to take me to one of my first favorite options. Let YouTube know that you are finding my tips and tricks useful by clicking on the like button, and to be told as more videos are released, click the subscribe button and hit that notification bell. I'll see you next time.